Hello and welcome to a new video on FMTTM Future of Finance. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to start investing. Before we get into the topic of the video, I just want to take a moment to remind you that investing always carries some level of risk, and it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be investment advice. Now, let's get started. Are you new to investing and not sure where to begin? You're not alone. Many people are intimidated by the stock market and don't know where to start. But the truth is, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. So, how do you get started? Here are some steps you can take. Determine your financial goals. The first step in investing is to figure out what you're trying to achieve. Do you want to save for retirement? Are you looking to buy a house or pay for your children's education? Your investment goals will influence the types of investments you choose. Figure out your risk tolerance. Different investments carry different levels of risk, and it's important to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the potential for significant price fluctuations, or do you prefer a more stable approach? Consider your age, financial situation, and long-term goals when deciding how much risk to take on. Build an emergency fund. Before you start investing, it's important to have some money set aside for unexpected expenses. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Get educated. Investing can be complex, and it's important to have a good understanding of the different types of investments and how they work. Consider reading books, taking an online course, or consulting with a financial advisor to learn more. Choose an investment account. There are many different types of investment accounts to choose from, including 401ks, IRAs, and brokerage accounts. Consider factors such as fees, minimum balance requirements, and tax implications when deciding which account is right for you. Start investing. Once you've done your research and opened an investment account, it's time to start putting your money to work. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or using online resources to help you choose appropriate investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. Investing can be a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. By following these steps, you can get started on your investing journey and work towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comments.